To show you how to set up the chart theme. So in WordPress, as you can see, chart theme are extensions of a parent theme. They allow you to modify an existing theme without directly editing that theme's code. So they're often something as simple as color changes, but they can also be complex and include custom override of the parent theme. So in this tutorial, we're gonna just focus on adding our chart themes, and then after that, adding the so we're going to focus on the styles.css so that you can be able to modify the styles instead of using the CSS from the parent theme. So that's the reason why we're going to create a chart theme, and then after that start editing our CSS from there. All right, so let's go to this. We go to WP content, themes. Okay, so let's say for instance, this is the theme that we're going to use. 2024 is going to be our parent theme. So we have to create a child theme. So we're going to go folder. Let's give it a name. So the name of let's give it tutorial. So tuto, create folder. All right. So now we have our child theme there. It's called tuto. But sometimes you always find to have something like this so that you can normally you can just say the name of the theme, and then after you just say chart theme, because of that way it's gonna be like easy to later, for instance, you want to see, okay, which theme is using what is the parent theme, by just seeing it from the name. So that one needs to be easy. But for this exercise, we're gonna just say this is tuto. It's kind of like your name of your website. We'll put it there. Okay, so this is our name. So we go inside. So here we're gonna put now our style.css. So we have to create a file, style.css, create styles. Okay, so now we're gonna edit the style. All right. We're going to edit the style. Our file, right click, edit. So we're going to edit our CSS. Edit the CSS. But if you have your IDE, Visual Studio, or any IDE, you can just use. So now let's go grab the let's go get our CSS. Can go here, come, and then we copy this one, and then we just paste it there, change the name to, and then this is our template. We don't need this one here. Okay, so and then after that we save changes. So let's go check again. So what they say here, so there's one caveat to the template field. It must be 100% match of the folder name of the parent theme relative to that. In this case, we know that the 2024 theme folder is located at that. So therefore the template value must be that. So now we have to go to install and activate our chart theme. So now let's go. I have this one. Okay. So this is 2024. It looks like this. We're gonna have to go now install. So for you to come, it's just you open your WordPress, you go to appearance, you click themes. Yeah, as you can see, because we do not have any image, that's why you can see there. So there's no image in our folder. You can see there's no image here. That's why it's blank there. So, but we're gonna install, activate. So as you can see, we did activate. Let's go now test to see if it's really showing the same thing. Yeah, still showing the same thing. As you can see, to test it nicely, we have to go see. Let's change 2023. Activate 2023. Okay, you can see how 2023 did look like. So now let's go back to the chart theme, because of this chart theme is for this one. So once we activate chart theme, okay, so now we have to go and test it, refresh. You can see it's replicating the 2024 stuff. So now our test, we wanted to make sure that the CSS, the reason why we're doing this, so that we must be able to use our custom CSS file. So we go here. Okay, so we're gonna go, let's go start putting our CSS. Let's say, for instance, we want the button, yeah, let's say we want this button here to become just to change the text. Let's see what can you change here. Okay, let's go change the body text to light yellow. Okay, or just black or something like this. Okay, let's say body. I know body font size. Let's say for body font size to be just testing purpose to rem. Okay, date. Let's refresh. Yes, you can refresh. You can see the text, they're not changing. Let's do another test. Let's say body display none. Or display none important. This is just for testing purpose to see if our CSS is working. Hard refresh. Yeah, you can still see is showing up, so which means that the CSS is not showing that much. I mean, the CSS is not applying. So now we go back to the documentation. What they say here, there is one caveat to the template field. It must be 100% match of the folder name of the parent themes, blah blah. So install activate chat theme. So if you're not already working with the development environment with a chat theme, okay, this will add the stuff there. Customize your chat theme. So now here we have loading CSS. So there is an optional step often not needed to for block theme, because their style in the handling is generally done via theme.json. But yeah, so because their style is generally done via theme.json, but it's often necessary if you are building a classic theme. Regardless, you only need to perform the steps. So we're gonna use this one here. Let's go check. Okay, so we're gonna need this one to edit in our functions.php. We copy this one. We're gonna have to create this functions.php. Okay, we're gonna go to our, okay, let's go create functions.php. Create. Okay, right click, edit, and then we paste it there. So our theme is tutor. Okay, we're gonna change it also there, tutor as well. Save changes. You're gonna just see here, as you can see, we're using lowercase. Yeah, tutor. Okay, now let's refresh. Let's see. Sorry, this is PHP. I have to add our PHP stuff. Right. Yes. So we have to add our PHP function. Did we create? Yes. So now let's go refresh. Add refresh. Add refresh. Let's see what we are missing here. Okay, we have display none, font size to rem, tutor, functions there. Oh yeah, sorry, we forgot this one here. We have to put also tutor there. Okay, and back, refresh. Okay, as you can see, it's gone on now. CSS is working. So remove this one, try the body stuff, refresh. You can see the font size is big. Now we remove this one here. All right, so this is the way you use your chart theme. Okay, add refresh, must always do add refresh, control shift command. Yeah, control shift control shift R with Windows computer, and then command shift R with Mac. So yeah, so this is the way that you install or you set up your chart theme with style.css. All right, thank you so much.